Alright, I'm gonna take out these pelvic blocks. Useful for opening up the hips a little bit. Okay, can I get you to go on your side facing me, please?
Where does this go?
Yeah, you guys just go there. Just come forward to the edge just a little bit. Yeah, good. Nice. And take this hand, grab your bicep, grab your elbow. All right, pick the arms up, El. I'm gonna drop them here. Good. Okay. And that looks pretty good. Just tuck this bottom hip under just a bit this way. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Pick the arms up again. Drop them here. Good. My hand here. Bend this leg at the knee. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let this leg loose and drop. And I'm just going to gauge your flexibility in this position. Keep this upper body kind of sturdy and stable there. I'm going to start to push the leg down, okay? Yep. And are you okay with this pressure? And a little pressure down on the leg. Flexible. Okay, so lean back slightly. Good. Yep, good. And down and up. Down and up. Good. And let's go on the other side, please. Alright. Yeah, same thing. So, yeah, come forward just a little bit. Yeah. Grab your bicep, grab your elbow. Yeah, good. Okay, pick the arms up, drop them there. And straighten that bottom leg out. Yeah, good. Okay. Good. Yeah. And let's go. Let's try go seated, please. One up here. And let's see here. Alright, so stay seated but swing your legs up onto the table. And then yeah, that's good there. Thank you. Stay seated and can I get you to fold your arms? Give yourself a big hug. So let's see here. Keep the grip tight. Relax the arms. Relax, relax, relax. Any discomfort with that pressure? No. That's okay? Okay, my hand here. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Nice. And do a little sit up. Yep, and you can lay back. Alright, and you can relax your arms. Okay, let's check out the neck here. Oh, that's the side. Stiffness in the side here. So lift the chin a bit. Yep. Rotate. Good. All right, nice and loose and relaxed. Good.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. Okay, same thing as lift the chin. Rotate. Yep, nice and loose and relaxed. Good. Okay, you're all set?